What's going on, you guys? Mr. Allen here with a couple problems involving parallel and perpendicular lines given a line on our xy coordinate plane. So we want to graph and write the equation of the line parallel to this y equals 3 line that passes through the point -2, 1. So I'm going to go ahead and grab an orange marker here, and let's plot that point -2, 1. So -2 is my x, +1 is my y. There's my point, -2, 1. Now, if it's parallel to y equals 3, that means it's going to be the same slope, never intersect it, right? It's going to be another horizontal line. So let's go ahead and draw that in right now and graph that line. Beautiful. Lovely. I like to skip over the markers, otherwise it makes them a little... Ugh. All right. So that's y equals... Wait, what is the equation? That's a good question. I almost got ahead of myself. All right, so this is y equals 3. It passes through 3 on my y-axis, right? Y is always equal to 3. My x is always changing, but my y is always the same. What do you think the equation of this guy's going to be right here? It's going to be y equals 1. So this will be y equals 1 right here. I'll even fill it in right here. Y equals +1. Cool. All right, we got our equation there. That's dope. It's awesome. Next one. We want to graph and write the equation of the line perpendicular to y equals 3. So now it's going to be perpendicular. It's a little different. And it's got to pass through 2, -3. Let's go ahead and plot 2, -3. So 2 is my x and -3 is my y. There it is right there. Now, if it's perpendicular to it, it's going to form a right angle, right? It's going to go like the opposite direction, if you will. So we're going to have a vertical line now for this particular one. All right, so let's draw that in here. Whoops. There we go. Beautiful. Again, I like to skip over some of these things just because the markers get kind of weird. You don't need to do that. Okay. Pop some arrows on that bad boy. What's my equation of this line now? Well, if a horizontal line is y equals something, because my y value never changes there, right? All of my coordinates are something, 1 here. All of my coordinates are something, 3 for that pink one there, right? Would it make sense that this is now an x equals? And what do we think x is always going to equal? Well, at this spot here, x equals 2, and my y value is 0. Here, it's 2 for my x, but my y value is 1. 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, so on and so forth. But my x value was always +2. So we got x equals +2 is my equation for that vertical line right there. That's beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Horizontal, vertical lines. We got parallel. We got perpendicular. We got awesome math, dope math, if you will. You guys have a fantastic day.